The Schrade SCH F53BS fixed blade full tang knife with MOLLE-compatible sheath. Sleek, compact, and versatile, the SCH F53BS tactical knife is forged from tough, edge-retaining AUS-8 high-carbon steel. This stalwart full-tang fixed-blade knife sports a 3.42-inch drop-point recurve blade, giving it the ability to take on any cutting or piercing task set before it. Covered in a tough corrosion-resistant coating, this handsome blade is finished off with a sleek blood groove, giving it a covert look and feel, while the part-serrated edge helps with tasks requiring more cutting power. The handle is covered in a textured TPE overmold, which provides exceptional grip, comfort, and durability. To aid in all-weather traction, the thumb ramp, along with 3-position jimping, enhances control of the blade. Placing your pinky finger in the rear grip ring will further aid in knife handling security. The tang terminates with a bottom-end nib capable of crushing and breaking things. The glass-filled nylon sheath can be attached to a belt, or use the rear strap to attach the knife to any MOLLE-compatible pack or gear. Easily remove the strap assembly for discreet carry in pocket or pouch. Tough, compact, and easy to carry in any situation, crafted from premium materials and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCH F53BS fixed blade tactical knife.
I'm Dave Spalding. As a 30-plus year law enforcement veteran, I learned pretty early on in my career that if I was going to carry a gun for a living, it was probably a good idea to also carry a knife. I also realized that I wanted a relatively small knife with a big knife feel, which brings us to the Gerber Answer Fast. This 3.3-inch folding blade with a aluminum handle with textured inlays is just big enough, but it's also just small enough. This one happens to have a Tonto blade, but it's also available in a drop point with a partially serrated blade for those hard-to-do cutting chores. On the side of the knife, you can see that there's a locking mechanism that actually is automatically engaged when the blade is deployed, but when you need to close the blade, you can merely pull down on it, push it against your body, and now it's closed. The tip-down carry makes it very easy to come up out of your pocket, engage the thumb, and get the knife open. Jimping on the top of the handle is very easy to engage with your thumb. And then, of course, these lower finger grooves engage the lower fingers nicely. And when combined with this curvature of the handle, as you can see, your hand locks nicely. The Gerber Answer Fast may very well be the answer to your daily carry or everyday carry folding knife needs. I'm Dave Spalding, and this is the Gerber Answer Fast.
The EXF-01 is a precision-built, high-performance powerhouse that effortlessly fits the role of a tactical or survival tool where durability is paramount. It was designed by former Marine Recon and renowned custom knife maker Alan Oleshowitz and is proudly made in the USA by Hogue Incorporated. It is available in 2 sizes, a 5.5 or 7-inch blade. The full tang construction is made from A2 tool steel and comes in a heavy-duty drop point with a flat grind. Each knife is honed by hand and cryogenically heat-treated for exceptional cutting performance. All of the models feature an abrasion and corrosion-resistant, kiln-baked Cerakote firearms finish. Colors are matched with the handle scales for a low-key visual footprint. The scales come in our patented Damascus G10 composite and Cocobolo hardwood. Holes in the end of the handle and base of the blade allow for multiple lashing points or the addition of a lanyard. Damascus G10 models come with a Torx tool that allows you to stow small items in the spaces of the skeletonized handle beneath the scales. The handle is fully sculpted for exceptional ergonomics and features a pointed pommel that can be used as an impact tool. The intelligently designed sheath features webbing on the front and back, allowing for belt carry or attachment to MOLLE-compatible systems. Made from ballistic nylon with a polymer insert, it is built to last and can be expanded on with our optional MOLLE pouches. A length of paracord is included. Elegant yet tough, the EXF-01 has been designed to easily overcome demanding tasks with reliability and ease. Hogue knives leverage the know-how of 3 generations of manufacturing experience and are backed by our limited lifetime warranty. To view available models and other
This is the Schrade SCH F36 full tang fixed blade survival knife. brandishing the heft and strength of a 5-inch drop point blade produced from 1/4-inch thick 1095 high carbon steel. The all-black SCHF 36 offers outdoor enthusiasts a knife eager to take on the rigors of the backcountry. The powder-coated fine-edge blade resists corrosion and is razor sharp right out of the box. The knife is just over 10.5 inches overall length, contributing to its versatility and ease of use. The 90-degree angle of the knife's spine can be used as a striker against a ferro rod. Ring texturing on the TPE handle defies the elements, providing a sure grip in any weather condition, while also offering a contoured design that fits with your hand's natural shape. Jimping on the blade's spine and underside adds traction, while the finger choil offers increased blade control. Pass cordage through the lanyard hole to keep the SCHF 36 close at hand. The black nylon sheath with its Velcro loop makes it easy to attach the sheath without the need to remove your belt. Lash the sheath to your leg with the available cordage, or to gear. A single snap makes for ready access to the SCHF 36, and the sheath pouch comes packing a ferro rod, striker, and sharpening stone. Designed to see you through the unexpected, crafted from premium materials, and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCHF 36 Survival Knife.
I'm Lucas Burnley, and I designed the Squid for CRKT. The first factory knife I ever bought, an Ed Halligan Stiff Kiss. I was probably 15 years old, and I still have the knife, and I love it, and it's beat up and nasty, and I cracked the sheath. But from that point on, CRKT always stood out in my mind as a brand that basically put out a quality product at like a really affordable price. And one of the nice things is because of the makers that you guys work with, it takes a design that's super high in demand and makes it available to everybody. That's the draw. Like I couldn't get, a Halligan knife, but I could get his design in a CRKT knife. So when I had the opportunity to start designing with CRKT, it was huge. I mean, it was like playing for the big leagues. It's a family that I've been a part of for a long time. The Squid has been one of my custom models for about 5 years now. The whole concept behind this knife was that of a compact pistol. I wanted to be able to do a really functional tool, a fully featured tactical knife, just scaled down. The primary things that I was really trying to keep were a strong blade and a good grip. I wanted it to be easy to carry and more importantly, legal to carry in a lot of jurisdictions. So the overall design is really non-threatening, which is great. So you want to be able to have it with you. The blade's just over 2 1/4 inches long. The locking mechanism on the Squid is a frame lock, which is great, super robust, super simple. We did a deep carry pocket clip, makes it super easy to carry, rides really low in the pocket. External lanyard mount. I love the way they translated this detail. Hollow ground spear point blade, really strong in the tip, false edge, jimping on the spine. And then the next thing I wanted a handle that you were able to really get a good grip on. Even though the overall knife is about 5 1/4 inches, you don't feel like you're working with something delicate. Just your perfect everyday, compact, hard.
My name is Darren Sroyce. I'm from Fayetteville, North Carolina, and I designed the SIWI for CRKT in the Forged by War program. So I'm a 25-year veteran. I joined the Army in 1989 when I was 20 years old. I did 11 consecutive rotations in Iraq. I retired as a sergeant major in 2014, and I got brought into CRKT under the Forged by War program. My initial design didn't quite look like this. It was a little bit rougher, and I took it to a really good friend named Chris Williams out of Fort Bragg, North Carolina, and he gave me some really good recommendations that I incorporated, so it was only my duty to name it the SIWI, S-I for Sroyce, and W-I for my good friend Chris Williams. The knife was designed to be an everyday carry, made for the hunter, the fisherman, the tactical guy, the guy who likes to do a little time in the woods. Just a simple drop point with a flat grind that comes up fairly high. It's a 3-inch blade with a handle that fits the blade. It's made from SK5, which is a good high carbon steel, and it has a black powder coat finish. The spine is curved, just like your palm. It feels comfortable. It doesn't create wear spots or hot spots or create calluses. The handle's made from G10, which is impervious to blood, sweat, mud. It won't absorb it and it won't get dirty. And the best thing about it is you can take the handle off with a couple screws, wash it in some warm soap and water, screw them back on, and it's like you got a brand new knife again. CRKT provides a great Kydex sheath. Retention on this is absolutely beautiful. It won't fall out. They incorporated multiple rivets for the clip, and the sheath can be pretty much strapped anywhere. It's just a very useful multi-purpose blade that you can use for almost anything. My name is Darren Sroyce, and I designed the SIWI for CRKT.
Hi, I'm Mark McLean with Buck Knives. I'm the design supervisor here, and one of the knives that we introduced this year at SHOT Show is the 863 Selkirk. This is a mid-sized knife that has great features and allows you to use it in rugged conditions. One of the key things of any knife of this size is that it has a 4 5/8 inch blade. The overall weight is 7.6 ounces. The blade is full tang construction all the way through. It features a solid guard up front and a pommel strike surface on the back to use as a hammer in light duty conditions. The blade is 420 high carbon, flat ground, and a drop point blade. It has jimping near the handle for good control. And then with any fixed blade knife, a key part of how that knife is used is how it's carried. So we've created a plastic molded sheath system that allows you to snap it into place. And along with this sheath, one of the added features is a striker whistle component that allows you to create a spark and also to signal in case of an emergency or to gather other people in your group together. So this works in combination with the knife to create sparks. So we've put a notch on the bottom of the blade instead of the back where you would put your thumb. And we don't necessarily want you using the edge of your blade because that would dull it for the uses that you need. So we've got this little notch that's sharp there, and it will spark and create the sparks you need to light your tinder and get a fire going. So with this sheath, we can put our striker and whistle back in and our knife back together. And so we've created it so that you can carry it in lots of different positions. Some people like carrying it high on their waist, some people like carrying it a little bit lower. And it's set up, this one is set up for vertical carry. So we've got a belt loop here. And we also incorporated another feature on this belt loop. People have different size belts. And so to prevent the sheath from sliding up and down when you're pulling the blade out, we've got a spacer in here, and it can go in one of 3 positions. So if you have a very narrow belt, you can use it, or if you have a wide belt, you can take it out. This one is set up for horizontal carry. And so it's a matter of unmounting those components and rearranging them and putting them into the configuration that best suits you. I've even seen somebody take this and set it so that it works at an angle. So if you like to do things in a cross-draw situation at a slight angle, it can be configured that way as well. So that's the 863 Selkirk.